Hello all, this is Deco Fanblade, and today I'm going to be going over the Magnum Alert features. So, what we have here is a Magnum Alert 1000 series with the standard LED keypad, and we're going to go over the functions. This panel has hold down functions. So basically what that means is you hold down a key, each number is assigned to a certain function, and it'll give you that function. For example, we're going to do function 1 is a bell test on this panel, so we're going to hold down the number. And there we go. As you guys heard, the buzzer went off. So that means that was the bell test. Function 2 is display bypass. So let's say you're bypassing a certain zone. Let's say we're going to bypass 1. All right. And you got the status LED bypassed. So how do we check that? Well, we got here written some handy shortcuts. So first of all, we're going to display the bypass. So which zone did I bypass? I'm going to be like, let's see. Oh yeah, I displayed zone 1. That means that I bypassed zone 1. And to basically get rid of that bypass, you basically arm and disarm your system. There we go. Function 2, not function 2, function 3 is a display status feature. So, when you have something tripped, which I will simulate the tripping right now. Here we go. When you got something tripped, the LED status will start flashing. That means we don't know what's going on. So something is being tripped, a motion sensor or a door. So we're going to look at what zone where it's being tripped. So we're going to leave it on. Function 3 displays the status. So zone 1 is being tripped at the moment. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to close the door. Quote unquote. Perfect. Then we got function 4. Function 4 is an instant arm, which basically bypasses all countdowns and goes straight to the alarm. So to do that, we arm the system and we hold down 4. As you can see, the LED will start flashing rapidly, which means if I were to trip anything right now, it will go into alarm condition immediately and signal the central station that an alarm condition went off. To get rid of that, we just re-input the code and we're back to status. Function 5 is a chime feature, which basically alerts us of any doors or windows. In this case, we have function 5 programmed to door main entrance. So to turn that on, we simply leave function 5. There we go. We have armed the chime, and we will open the door. And as you can see, we get a signal from a sounder from the keypad. So here, we're going to close it up. All right. And to turn that feature off, you don't even have to go into programming. You just simply press 5, and there we go. Function 6 is the telecommunications test, which basically tests your communications to the central station and the phone line itself, which is function 6. We're not going to do that right now because I don't have a phone attached to the phone line connected to the panel, so it will be redundant if I were to do that. Function 7 is a fault find. As you can see, we may have sometimes faults, and it'll be easier to actually look at which zone or what is giving us trouble. We simply do fault find with function 7. Function 8 is the programming. So basically what you do with function 8 is reset the system, which by the way I'll get to that in a second. Reset the system, hold 8, then enter your dealer's code, and you're in programming. What will happen is you will get a line on the 7-segment display. You'll get a line, and you'll get a bypass light indicator on. That indicates you're in programming mode. Then we have function 9, which is history. So, not history. Function 9 is reset. So let's say, how to demonstrate this? Let's say you have an alarm that went off. So basically you just hold down 9. I will do that. And there you go. The system is reset immediately when you heard that sounder beeping. Now, for the S key, or the shunt key, as they call it, what happens here is what basically will tell us the alarm conditions that happened previously. So what went bad first? So you basically leave bypass key, as I like to call it, press down, and it'll show you all the zones that it'll show you the zones that tripped off the past alarm. Finally, we got this asterisk and this number sign. If you leave those two on, I don't have the function activated, but if you press this two simultaneously, you'll get an immediate alarm on. Finally, and that's pretty much it for the Magnum Alert system. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more alarm updates in computers and fans and whatnot. Alright, thank you very much. God bless you all, and hope you have a great Easter. God bless you all, and thank you. Bye-bye.